Hello, dear children. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter in EVS, Mangoes Round the Year. As you all know, this is the season of mangoes, the king of fruits, and we all love to have mangoes. But one thing we want to change is we want mangoes all through the year. But what happens? We are able to get it 1 or 2 months. In May, June, July we get it, and after that we don't get it. Why? After that, even if you keep it stored, it may get spoiled. You may not be able to use it afterwards. So in this chapter we will learn how to preserve things, how to keep our food items safe from spoilage so that we can use them even after the season has gone. The chapter starts with the scene of lunch break. You all must also be having lunch break in your school, and in school your different friends bring different things in their lunch boxes. Like Aman has brought sweet peas, somebody has brought potato sabzi, and this way they are discussing who has brought what. But all of a sudden they realize that Neetu's potato sabzi is spoiled. The moment they see the sabzi, or maybe they must have smelt it, they realize that sabzi has got spoiled. And one of them says, hey, don't eat it, because if you will eat that spoiled vegetable, you may fall sick. Do you all know that or not? If we'll eat spoiled things, we may fall sick. Why? It may contain something harmful for us. Now, how did they know that food had got spoiled? कैसे पता लगा उनको कि टिफिन में खाना खराब हो गया था? Maybe because of change in smell. Things smell very bad when they get spoiled. Change in taste. Taste must also have changed. Change in color. Color भी change हो जाता है. Certain things change their color. They become whitish or somewhat pale in their color. Or the change in, okay, I have written taste twice, I'm sorry. Change in smell, taste, color, or even by touch also you can identify. Certain things turn sticky, थोड़ी सी sticky touch हो जाता है उनका, and this indicates that the thing has got spoiled. So only the children could find out that potato sabzi had got spoiled. What will happen if we eat spoiled food? One of them said, don't eat that because you may fall sick. Why did he say that? What will happen if we eat spoiled food? Eating spoiled, contaminated means something that has some harmful substances in it, or toxic means somewhat poisonous food, may result in food poisoning. If we eat anything such which has spoiled, contaminated, or is toxic, it may result in food poisoning. Now, what is food poisoning? Because these things are harmful to us, they make the food somewhat like a very mild poison. And how do we know that it is food poisoning? We feel nausea. Nausea means feeling of vomiting, feeling like you want to vomit, and actual vomiting, or diarrhea means loose motions you may have. So we should not eat spoiled food. When we are discussing this, we should have a look at our kitchen and find out what things take how much time to get spoiled, or how long can we store them without getting spoiled. Food items that can get spoiled in 2-3 days, जो 2-3 दिन ही रख सकते हैं, they are milk, bread, cooked food, पका हुआ दाल, rice, vegetable. Food items that can be kept for a week you can keep them safe. They are onion, tomato, potato, fruits, the vegetables that you purchase. There are certain things in your kitchen which will not get spoiled even for 1 month. If you will keep them for 1 month, then also they don't get spoiled. What are they? Flour, atta, raw rice, spices, salt, sugar. ये चीज़ें spoil नहीं होती हैं because they don't have moisture in them. Now when we are talking about spoilage, we must discuss, does the food take same time to spoil all through the year? क्या पूरे साल भर उतनी ही देर में सारा खाना खराब होता है या there is some change? No. In summers the food gets spoiled sooner, जल्दी खराब होता है, than in winters. You too must have noticed that in winters, you can keep your food in the kitchen itself for a long time and it doesn't get spoiled, while in summers it gets spoiled very soon. And even faster it is in rainy season. बरसात के मौसम में सब जगह moisture होता है in the air also, so it gets spoiled even faster. Now we should think over what causes food spoilage. खराब क्यों होता है खाना? Firstly, because of high temperature. We discussed summer में जल्दी खराब होता है. That means because of high temperature the food gets spoiled. Secondly, because of moisture. Second reason may be moisture, because in rainy season it is fastest. So moisture of the rainy season may be responsible for that. Third is the action of microorganisms. There are small microorganisms in air that we cannot see. Okay? These also start growing in your food and multiplying, and this causes the food to spoil. And the fourth reason is the action of enzymes in the food. Our food itself also has certain enzymes. So, in conditions में वो भी fast multiply होने लगते हैं. That results in the spoilage of food. Now, what can we do to control it? We'll think over. Now, some conditions in which food spoils quickly. Food जल्दी कब spoil होता है? आप खुद भी observe करना and you will come to these conclusions. If cooked food is kept in open, अगर हम खाना खुला छोड़ देते हैं, microorganisms in the air can come to them and start growing, so food get spoiled. If milk is not boiled properly, दूध को अच्छे से boil नहीं किया गया तो खराब हो जाएगा. If green vegetables are kept in hot places, humid, moisture वाली जगहों पे रखेंगे तो they will get spoiled. If pickles are not protected from moisture, अचार में कहीं से गीला हाथ लग जाएगा तो it will get spoiled. So it is the moisture that is the main culprit of spoilage. Now there is one example in your book. A girl called Biji bought a bread. So Aman's went to the market to buy bread. Aman ki Biji market gayi for buying bread. The shop was crowded, so shopkeeper gave her a bread and she came back. But when she opened the packet, she found the bread had got spoiled. She did not even open, just by the look. क्या हुआ होगा उसमें? We must check the expiry date of any eatable when we purchase. एक expiry date लिखी होती है. Expiry date means the date after which something should not be used. Whenever you go to purchase things, check for that expiry date. उस date के बाद वो चीज़ you should not use because it may be harmful. Now in certain things it is written use by this date. किसी में लिखा होता है best before this date, ऐसे लिखा होता है. तो use by जिसमें लिखा है that means it should not be eaten after that date. बिल्कुल नहीं use करना है. But अगर लिखा है best before तो उसको use कर सकते हो, but the quality may not be very good after that date. Okay, you should remember these things. So बेस्ट बिफोर में यूज योर सेंसेस टू चेक इफ द फूड इज सेफ टू ईट. आप अपने आप सोच समझ कर उसको खा सकते हो अगर आपको लगता है कि ये ठीक होगा आपके लिए. बट इन द केस ऑफ यूज बाय, डोंट यूज इट. डू नॉट ईट आफ्टर दैट डेट. इट विल बी हार्मफुल टू यू. ओके. नाउ व्हेन द ब्रेड स्पॉइल्स, fungus starts growing on it. Where do the fungus on bread come from? फंगस कहाँ से आ जाता है ब्रेड में? हम तो नहीं लाते हैं. एक्चुअली फंगस के स्पोर्स होते हैं जो स्मॉल, जैसे प्लांट्स के सीड्स होते हैं वैसे फंगस को ग्रोज फ्रॉम स्पोर्स. दे आर इन द एयर. हमको दिखाई नहीं देते. दे आर माइक्रोस्कोपिक एंड दे आर इन द एयर ऑल द टाइम. एज सून एज दे गेट मॉइस्चर, जैसे ही उनको मॉइस्चर मिलता है वो किसी भी सरफेस पर सेटल हो जाते हैं एंड दे स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग ऑन इट. जैसे ब्रेड में देखा होगा, जब ब्रेड खुली हम रखते हैं या थोड़े दिन हो जाते हैं तो ब्रेड का सरफेस हल्का सा मॉइस्ट होता है. दे सिट ऑन दैट ब्रेड एंड दे स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग लाइक स्मॉल ग्रोथ्स. यू कैन सी, ये माइक्रोस्कोपिक वर्जन इसमें दिखाया हुआ है. इन दिस यू कैन सी हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग इन द ब्रेड. So it is always there in the air. We need to keep our things protected from them. Now, how to prevent food from spoilage? We have studied that food gets spoiled. What should we do to prevent it from spoilage? We don't want our food to get spoiled. कोई भी खराब करना चाहता है अपना खाना? नहीं. तो what should we do to prevent it from spoilage? First, very common thing that we do is refrigeration. Normally हम सब्जी वगैरह बच जाती है तो फ्रिज में रख देते हैं. लो टेम्परेचर पर माइक्रोब्स इतनी जल्दी नहीं ग्रो करते हैं, सो द फूड कैन बी saved. We oil certain things. When we apply oil, moisture doesn't come in contact with the thing and it doesn't get spoiled. The third is salting. When we add salt to something like pickle, अचार बनाने के पहले मम्मी नमक लगा कर रखती है. When salt is added, all the moisture of the thing comes out. उसका सारा moisture बाहर आ जाता है, जिससे कि afterwards when spices are added, it adds to the flavor और वो खराब नहीं होते हैं. We can make jams, jellies. You can see in the picture. These are modes of sugar preservation. इस पे जो फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल जो भी होता है, इट इज़ बॉइल्ड इन द शुगर सिरप. शुगर से भी वही होगा. इट डजेंट अलाउ द वाटर टू रिमेन एंड सो पानी नहीं होगा, मॉइस्चर नहीं होगा तो खराब भी नहीं होगा. पापड़ बनाए जाते हैं, बड़ियाँ बनाई जाती हैं. दे आर ऑल ड्राइड इन द सन. धूप में सुखाते हैं ना पापड़ बड़ियाँ. क्यों? कि पानी उसका ख़त्म हो जाए. Once the moisture is lost, the thing can be preserved for a long time. Okay, so this is how the different things can be preserved. We must try to apply all these in life because we want to eat a variety of food item, but at the same time we should not eat something that has got spoiled or that is about to get spoiled because it may be bad for our health. Preservation of health is easier than the cure of disease. Means we can preserve our health because once we catch a disease, अगर कोई disease हो गया उसको cure करना मुश्किल है. So we must preserve the thing properly. We must store our food items properly and then only we must use them so that our health is not affected by it. So today we studied the different methods of food preservation, the different ways in which the food gets spoiled, and how we can save our food from spoilage. Try to implement all these in your life and also tell those who are not aware of all these things. घर में भी you should also take care in seeing that the things are kept in a proper manner. Now you are grown up, you are in class 5, so you must also be able to take care of all these things at your home. Whatever you learn, try to apply it in your lives also. Okay. Thank you, children.